This free tool that you'll find in the description will generate and style subtitles directly on your editing timeline, fast and without you doing it manually. It's called Auto Subs, and you can download it and install it easily, and it works both in DaVinci Resolve and also as a standalone tool for separate projects. Now let's open DaVinci Resolve and let me explain how to use it. Let's say we have this short video that has been already cut. Now, in order to use the auto captions tool, we're going to need to set up two things: a new track specified for the captions and a pre-made text animation template so that the tool can use it. For the track, head to this empty section, right click and add a new track. Next, to the text animation template, you can add a new text plus layer and create your own animation. If you don't know how, you can watch this tutorial that I've made, or a better one is just use my text animation pack and save time, which you can get more than 60 plus essential text animation for you to use. The link down in the description. Let's grab this one, the up word by word slide text, and put it on top of the clip so that we can adjust it. Change the font, the size to your liking, then see if the animation suits you. If not, head to the animation controls and increase the animation speed to like 5, and there you go. Then head to the color controls, and what I like to do is change it to gradient and reduce the alpha of the black color all the way to 0 to give us this nice look. But to make it pop a little more, I'll add this border plugin to it, and you can deactivate the shadow and reduce the amount to your liking. And by the way, this font and the other fonts and the border plugin are all included in the text animation pack. Now, when you're happy with this text animation, simply drag it to the media pool, like this, and delete it so that we can generate the captions. To launch it, head to Workspace, and down here in Scripts, you can find the auto subs, and this window will pop up and a new folder will appear. First thing first, these are the AI models that the auto subs use to generate the captions. These ones are only for the English language if you're interested, and if you want to be multilingual, head down here and choose one of those. The difference are in the size of the model itself and the amount of RAM and CPU that the model will use to generate the captions. The larger the model, the more accurate the caption will be, obviously. For me, I use this one. Next, you can choose from 50 plus languages that you want, but make sure that the model is multilingual or translate it from here. Next, you can select the number of speakers in your clip or keep it auto. Here you can add key terms if you want to help the tool to recognize special words. I don't really use it, to be honest. Then to the important one, here you can customize the number of text that will appear if it's a single word, or let it choose how much text will appear from this existing presets, or you can customize it by yourself. For me, let's choose this one, the less one. Here is the number of lines that the caption will appear in. For example, in one line like this, or in 2 lines. You get the idea. Next, you can remove the commas, periods, and other punctuation from here if you want, and if they are censor words, you can simply add it here. And from here, you can customize how the text will look, if it's a lowercase, uppercase, and more. Lastly, here is to choose where the audio that will generate the captions from. We have only one track, but let's say, for example, if you move this audio to another track and go back, you need to also select the second audio so that the tool can detect it. And that's it. Now, hit this button and let auto subs do its work. Just keep in mind, the first time you use it, it will take a little bit of time to generate the captions because it will download the model first, which will depend on your internet connection, and then generate the captions. But after this, it will directly do the work. And there you go. On the right side are the captions, which you can adjust it if there's any word missing or just a mistake, but it rarely happens, especially if you download the large model. If you want, you can download the SRT file from here, and the most important thing, to add the captions to your timeline, click here. Choose the track where the captions will appear, or simply add a new track. Click next. Here, choose the text animation template from the animated section if you want, but for us, we already created our own, so choose that and add to timeline. And there you go. Now, it's up to you. You can adjust the animation to your liking in some parts and see if it suits you. And also, you can go back and choose a different text density, case, or different text animation template. Basically, experiment enough until you're happy with the result. This tool doesn't work only in DaVinci Resolve. Like I said, you can also use it as a standalone tool to transcribe audio or video files to use it in different projects. And that's it. I hope this tool will help you like it did for me. Don't forget to check my text animation pack in the description, and see you guys in the next one.